Hey everyone, so if you need a professional cover letter fast, yeah, Zety can actually generate one for you in just a few minutes. I'll show you step by step how to create, customize, and download it easily. First, go to the Zety cover letter builder and click on Create Your Cover Letter. This opens the editor where you'll build everything. Now choose a cover letter template. Zety offers multiple professional designs that are clean, modern, and optimized for job applications. Next, enter your job title and the position you're applying for. Zety uses this information to generate tailored content for your cover letter. Now fill in your personal details, work experience, and skills. The builder will guide you step by step and suggest ready-made content you can use or edit. After that, customize your cover letter. You can edit the text, change wording, and adjust the tone so it matches your personality and the job you're applying for. Before downloading, review your cover letter carefully. Make sure it clearly explains your experience and how you can help the company. Finally, download your cover letter. You can export it as a PDF or Word file with a paid plan, or use the text version for free and format it yourself. And that's it. Now you know how to create a professional cover letter using Zety in just a few minutes. Just customize it for each job, and you're good to go.